In a world where technological advancements are rapidly changing the landscape of global security, one name consistently stands out: Elon Musk. Known for pushing the boundaries of what's possible, Musk is once again at the forefront, this time with a jaw-dropping SpaceX project that aims to intercept North Korean spy satellites. But this isn't just another airplane, it's a revolutionary leap in aerospace technology, blending speed, stealth, and futuristic weaponry. Let's dive into the details and explore how this new SpaceX airplane is set to change the game. The collaboration between SpaceX and the U.S. Air Force. In a historic move, SpaceX and the U.S. Air Force have joined forces openly for the first time. This collaboration is more than just a strategic partnership, it's a bold statement that the future of defense is not only about securing our skies but also about controlling space. As global tensions rise and the threat of espionage grows, the need for cutting-edge technology to safeguard national security has never been more critical. At the heart of this collaboration lies the State Route 72, a hypersonic aircraft developed by Lockheed Martin's Skunk Works. Known for creating some of the most advanced and secretive military aircraft, Skunk Works has once again delivered a marvel of engineering. But what makes the State Route 72 so special isn't just its speed, it's the fact that SpaceX is involved, bringing its expertise in rocket technology to the table. Imagine a plane that can fly at speeds of 4,000 miles per hour. That's 6 times the speed of sound. The State Route 72 is designed to do just that, making it nearly impossible for enemy defenses to track or intercept. But this aircraft isn't just about speed, it's about combining speed with stealth, making it a ghost in the sky. The State Route 72, a technological marvel. The State Route 72 isn't just a fast plane, it's a glimpse into the future of aerial warfare. Developed in collaboration with SpaceX, this aircraft boasts hypersonic speeds that allow it to outrun any threat. But what truly sets it apart is its radar-invisible design. Thanks to advanced materials and innovative engineering, the State Route 72 can slip through enemy airspace undetected, gathering vital intelligence without leaving a trace. But why the need for such speed and stealth? The answer lies in reconnaissance. In today's world, information is power. The State Route 72 is equipped with precision sensors and radars that can gather intelligence with pinpoint accuracy. Whether it's tracking enemy movements or intercepting communications, this aircraft does it all with unparalleled efficiency. And it doesn't stop there. The State Route 72 comes in 2 variants, manned and unmanned. Both versions are armed with futuristic weaponry that seems straight out of a sci-fi movie. From missiles that redefine accuracy to laser systems that can neutralize threats in seconds, this aircraft is a force to be reckoned with. But it's not just about what's on board, it's also about how the State Route 72 operates. Using cutting-edge artificial intelligence, the aircraft can make split-second decisions, adapting to changing circumstances in real time. This level of automation not only enhances its effectiveness but also reduces the risk to human pilots. The intergalactic arms race. As the State Route 72 takes to the skies, it's not just North Korea that needs to worry. The development of this aircraft signals a new chapter in the intergalactic arms race. With countries like China developing space missiles, the US is determined to stay ahead, and that's where SpaceX comes in. SpaceX's involvement in this arms race is crucial. With their expertise in space travel and rocket technology, they bring a unique perspective to the table. The State Route 72 is just the beginning. The real game-changer lies in the ability to intercept and neutralize threats from space. Enter the X-37B, a spacecraft that has been shrouded in mystery since its first launch in 2010. Now, the secrets are coming out, and it turns out that the X-37B is the US ace in the hole against Chinese satellites. This spaceplane, designed by none other than SpaceX, is a marvel of engineering, capable of spending over 750 days in orbit at an altitude of 350 miles, right where most satellites hang out. X-37B, the US ace in the hole. The X-37B isn't just any spacecraft, it's a highly advanced piece of technology designed to keep the USA one step ahead in the space race. With a design similar to the Space Shuttle, this craft was built with a specific mission in mind: satellite destruction. Conventional missiles won't cut it in space, which is why the X-37B is equipped with the latest in space weaponry. One of its most impressive features is the Ion engine, a technology similar to that used in NASA's Dawn spacecraft, which explored the asteroid belt. This engine allows the X-37B to maneuver in space with incredible precision, making it the perfect tool for taking out enemy satellites. But it's not just about taking down satellites. The X-37B also serves as a platform for testing new technologies that could be used in future space missions. This makes it an invaluable asset in maintaining the USA's dominance in space. And let's not forget the Falcon Heavy, the rocket that sends the X-37B on its celestial joy ride. Another masterpiece from the SpaceX team, the Falcon Heavy is the most powerful operational rocket in the world, capable of carrying heavy payloads into orbit with ease. The future of aerial and space warfare. As impressive as the State Route 72 and X-37B are, they're just the beginning. The future of aerial and space warfare is being shaped by new technologies that are pushing the limits of what's possible. One of the most exciting developments is the B-21 Raider, a next-generation bomber that is set to revolutionize the battlefield. The B-21 Raider isn't just a regular bomber, it's a technological marvel armed with nuclear bombs and a top-notch camouflage system. What makes it truly special is its artificial intelligence control system, which allows it to operate as an advanced drone. No more tired pilots, just a relentless machine following the rules. But the advancements don't stop there. NASA is also giving some of its classic aircraft a space-age makeover. The F-5, for example, is being tested for outer space suitability. This classic beauty has been around since 1976 and has been used in over 25 projects, from aerodynamics to propulsion control. And then there's the F-22 Raptor, a beast of an aircraft that defines the pinnacle of technological skills. With a maximum altitude of 62,000 feet and a speed of 1,500 miles per hour, the Raptor is a force to be reckoned with. But what really sets it apart is its survivability. This aircraft can take a hit from high-explosive munitions and keep flying, thanks to its specially coated polycarbonate glass cockpit and advanced radar systems. The F-35 Lightning II, a master of disguise. While the F-22 Raptor is all about raw power and survivability, the F-35 Lightning II is a master of disguise. This aircraft is packed with technological advancements that make it practically invisible to radar. Its stealth systems, reflective plating, and radar blocking technology allow it to operate in some of the most hostile environments without being detected. But the F-35 isn't just about stealth, it's also about versatility. This aircraft can switch to a unique vertical thrust mode, allowing it to take off and land on shorter runways, or even vertically. This capability makes the F-35 a valuable asset in a wide range of combat scenarios. In terms of weaponry, the F-35 packs a punch. It's equipped with ASRAAM-guided cruise missiles that can reach speeds of over 2,500 miles per hour, turning large air enemies into distant memories. It also has a 4-barrel 25mm cannon that can decimate smaller targets in seconds. And if that's not enough, the F-35 is also equipped with cluster and nuclear bombs, making it one of the most powerful combat aircraft in the world. Engineers are even working on integrating laser weapons and an onboard control system that works hand-in-hand with artificial intelligence, allowing the aircraft to learn and adapt on the fly. The Dark Star, the next generation of aerial dominance. As we look to the future, one name stands out, the Dark Star. This sixth-generation wonder is still in the making, but the buzz surrounding it is undeniable. The Dark Star promises to bring mind-bending capabilities to the battlefield, pushing the limits of what's possible in aerial combat. Imagine an aircraft that can fly at speeds of 4,350 miles per hour, with combat and reconnaissance drones at its call, laser weapons that redefine firepower, and stealth technology that makes it practically invisible. The Dark Star is designed to dominate the skies 24/7, thanks to its artificial intelligence systems that ensure continuous air superiority. While the Dark Star's official debut is still shrouded in mystery, one thing is clear: the United States knows how to craft majestic aircraft that set the standard for decades. The Dark Star is poised to be the crown jewel of the next generation of aerial dominance. In conclusion, the new SpaceX airplane designed to intercept North Korean spy satellites is more than just an aircraft, it's a symbol of the future of warfare. From the SR-72's hypersonic speeds to the X-37B's space-based capabilities, these technological marvels are setting new standards in both aerial and space combat. Elon Musk and SpaceX are at the forefront of these advancements, pushing the boundaries of what's possible and ensuring that the United States remains a dominant force in the intergalactic arms race. As we look to the future, one thing is certain: the skies and space above us will never be the same. So, what do you think about these groundbreaking advancements? Do you believe they'll give the US the edge it needs to stay ahead in the global arms race? Share your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more updates on SpaceX and cutting-edge technology.